Hello everyone, my name is Jose Mauricio Perez. I'm 25 years old. I'm industrial engineering student. I live in Acacias Meta with my parents. I like the bandeja paisa, and my favorite hobby is mixing electronic music. And in the following video, I will answer some questions. And the first question is explain each step mentioned in the video. And okay, the first step tell us about relaxing. We must not rush, let alone stress when learning a new language. The second step is not try to translate. Um as it kind of make learning more difficult. The third step is the use content to help you understand. This step is important because to understand not only is important to listen, but also body language and other important aspects. The fourth step is the practice with different situations and voices. Uh, this will help us to learn the different accents and ways in which other people express the team's lives. The fifth step, sorry, the fifth step is to make a curriculum. Um this helps use to have an order when studying any language. Um, the second question is at the beginning of the video they talk about some situations, namely less at least two situations. And in this video, the two situation I will name are as follows. You are listening to an English teacher speaking British English, speaking slowly and clearly, and you are listening to TV show or radio, listening to different speakers, using different and chaining vocabulary, and the speed with which they talk is fast. Um, the third question is in the minute 31 other language is spoken. What language was that? The language spoken in this video is Portuguese. Um, the fourth question is which are the two rules for the five step, and the rule one, do something every day, and the second rule is do something different every day. The fifth five uh, the 5 point is what is the lesson plan that the propose. What kind of lesson plan will you propose? And the routine of the study is proposed every day of the week to do a different activity, whether listening music, reading, or writing in English. At the curriculum that I propose and plan to implement is to watch and listen to television programs every day and emulate the way they express the property to have more experience in vocabulary. And then 6 point is how to stick to your plan. Your plan. Um, my favorite. Ah no. Sorry. For my curriculum to work, I must schedule my rest hour at work and at the home. Uh, and I finish the seventh question is having in mind the video when can you obtain material for to practice English and based on the video the learning material can be found anywhere whether on the internet on the books or television radio um, and other sites. Um, thanks for watching and blessing.